In Step 17, the manufacturing engineer needs to restructure the Functional Structured Engineering Bill of Material, or BOM for short, to a BOM which fits the manufacturing needs and represents the steps in the manufacturing line. The manufacturing engineer needs to ensure that the new design component, like the pressure sensor, is replaced by the quality parameter sensor, and that the PDC board, which is a new design component, is included in the new assembly when preparing to release the engineering BOM to the manufacturing BOM. To find the current mBOM, the manufacturing engineer enters the app Manage Change Records and opens the change record item. Here they're able to find the details of this change record. To find the mBOM, the manufacturing engineer selects the Items drop-down and clicks on Manufacturing Material BOM. They're able to select an mBOM item they wish to display. The manufacturing engineer now ensures that the pressure sensor is part of the manufacturing bill of material. Since the design engineer already created the eBOM based off the eBOMX slice CAD document structure, and this eBOM has been handed over to the mBOM with routings, the manufacturing engineer can now work on this existing mBOM for the eBOMX slice with the pressure sensor provided by the design engineer. There is a change request to replace the pressure sensor with the quality parameter sensor. The manufacturing engineer updates the CAD design by replacing the pressure sensor with the quality parameter sensor. The manufacturing engineer will also need to update the engineering BOM or the eBOM version through SAP Visual Enterprise Manufacturing Planner. Here, they select the planning scope for the eBOMX so that they're able to display it. In the Display Planning Scope page, the manufacturing engineer can also check what the planned BOMs are. In the Maintain Bill of Material app, they check to see if the new eBOM had been created with the sensor. Now that the new eBOM version is created with the up-to-date sensor, this BOM is ready to be released. For the purpose of this video, we will not release the BOM since it's already prepared in the background. To manage unassigned eBOMs, the manufacturing engineer enters the app called Manage Unassigned eBOMs. Here they're able to select the eBOM with the latest change record. They're able to perform an impact analysis to understand the impact of replacing the pressure sensor with the quality sensor. To open up the Visual Enterprise Manufacturing Planner, they select the Items drop-down and click on the planning scope. They select the planning scope and launches this in VEMP. In the Visual Enterprise Manufacturing Planner, the manufacturing engineer is able to see that only the sensor is changed in the source panel. With this, the manufacturing engineer can create the mBOM, where the new quality parameter sensor has replaced the old pressure sensor. We do the steps again for the PDC boards.